Hey everyone, want to use motion brush in Runway ML? In this video, I'll show you how to animate specific parts of an image or video using the motion brush tool step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Runway ML website. Sign in to your account and open your dashboard. Next, create a new project and choose the AI generation tool that supports motion brush asterisk, such as an image to video workflow if it's available in your version of Runway ML. Now upload the image you want to animate. Select the motion brush asterisk tool and carefully paint over the area you want to move. You can brush over objects like a person's hair, clothing, water, clouds, trees, or other elements you want to animate. Next, define the direction and strength of the motion using the available controls. You can adjust how subtle or dramatic the movement should appear. If available, refine the brush size and mask to improve the accuracy of the selected area. Click Generate Asterisk and wait while Runway ML creates the animation based on your motion brush settings. Once the video is ready, preview the result and check whether the selected object moves naturally. If needed, adjust the brush area or motion settings and generate another version. Finally, export your finished video in your preferred resolution and save it to your device. And that's how to use motion brush in Runway ML. With precise motion controls, you can bring specific parts of an image to life and create more dynamic AI-generated videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.